Nuwara Eliya, often called Little England, is a beautiful city nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country. It's known for its cool climate, rolling green hills covered in tea plantations, and colonial-era architecture. Here's what you need to know to plan a visit. Things to see and do. Tea plantations. No trip to Nuwara Eliya is complete without visiting a tea plantation. Take a tour to learn about the process of growing, harvesting, and processing tea, and enjoy a cup of fresh Ceylon tea. Some popular options include Pedro Tea Estate and Mackwoods Labookellie Tea Estate. Gregory Lake. This picturesque lake is a popular spot for boating, picnicking, and relaxing. You can rent a boat, take a leisurely stroll around the lake, or enjoy a meal at one of the lakeside restaurants. Victoria Park. This well-maintained park is a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. It features beautiful flower gardens, walking paths, and a small playground. Hakala Botanical Garden. Located a short drive from Nuwara Eliya, this botanical garden is home to a wide variety of plants and flowers, including many endemic species. World's End at Horton Plains National Park. This stunning viewpoint offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, leopards, and birds. Waterfalls. Nuwara Eliya is surrounded by beautiful waterfalls, including Lover's Leap Falls, St. Clair's Falls, and Devon Falls. Colonial architecture. Explore the city's colonial past by visiting the Nuwara Eliya Post Office, the Grand Hotel, and other historic buildings. When to visit. The best time to visit Nuwara Eliya is during the dry season, which runs from March to May. The weather is cool and sunny, making it ideal for outdoor activities. However, Nuwara Eliya is a beautiful place to visit year-round. How to get there? Nuwara Eliya is easily accessible by road and rail. The train journey from Colombo to Nanuoya, the nearest train station to Nuwara Eliya, is particularly scenic, passing through lush tea plantations and misty mountains. Where to stay? Nuwara Eliya offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly guest houses to luxurious hotels. Some popular choices include the Grand Hotel, the Hill Club, and the Jetwing Street Andrews. Additional tips. Pack warm clothes, as the weather in Nuwara Eliya can be cool, especially in the evenings. Wear comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a lot of walking. Be sure to try some of the local food, such as kotu roti, hoppers, and curd and treacle. If you're interested in hiking, there are many trails to choose from, ranging from easy walks to challenging climbs. Consider taking a scenic train ride through the hill country. Nuwara Eliya is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Sri Lanka. With its stunning scenery, rich history, and cool climate, it's the perfect place to relax and unwind.